class, welcome to today's math lesson. We are going to go on in our number line to number 15 today. So let's first start with our problem of the day. Ready? What is one more than 11? Draw objects to show your answer. So remember, when we're trying to draw one more than something, we want to draw that number first and then put one more object to see what one more is. All right, so let's draw 11 dots. And remember, Miss Goen likes to draw hers like I'm drawing in a 10 frame so that it's easier to count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 11. Now if I add one more than 11 is 12. So 12 is one more than 11. All right, guys, open your workbooks. We're on page 191, and we've got some aliens in space. All right, today we're focusing on the number 15. So what we're going to do here is we're going to place something over our alien. So maybe you could cross off or you could have objects out, but we're going to put one over each alien as we count. Then we're going to trace how many we have. All right, so I'm going to cross out, or you could draw circles over them, whichever you choose. But I'm going to do that while I count all of these aliens. All right, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the number of aliens we have right there is 15. Now, look down here. Here is how we write 15. Remember, it's a 1, so just a straight line down, and then a 5. So you start at that dot, go out, and then go down and around for a 5, okay? So I'm going to write it again over here. You start with a straight line out, then go down from the straight line, and then a big curve, okay? All right, you can turn your page, and we've got some spaceships, it looks like. So let's count how many spaceships we have and say how many, then we're going to trace that number. Okay, so let's cross out again while we count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So go down here and trace 15. All right. Now below, that's a not pretty 5. Now below that, we have some flags with an alien on it. So what we're going to do here, again, we're going to count how many we have, and then we're going to write it. I don't know why it has it for me. Your page doesn't. Maybe I'm on the wrong one. I don't know. Your page doesn't have the number, so let's try to not look at that. So let's count how many and then write the number 3 times. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 again. No wonder our lesson is called number 15. We're going to focus on that number the whole time. Yours doesn't have tracing, so you have to practice writing your 15 on the lines. All right, below that we have some other kind of alien-looking bug. So let's count how many we've got and then write the number. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 again. So write that number. All right. Mine isn't as pretty as yours hopefully is. Okay, before you do on your own, I want you to think, how could we act out these problems if we're focusing on the number 15. So I want you to think about what objects in your house you could act out the number 15 with. And you might just go do that. So you might go get 15 pieces of cereal or 15 toys, okay? So find something and make a group of 15, all right? Now on your own, what you're going to look at is some planets. Count how many, write the number. Then below that, they give you the number, but there's nothing in it. So what you have to do in there is make the number in the tens frames, okay? Right? You can pause me and meet me on problem solving. Wow, that's a lot of aliens. Let's see what they want us to do. Count the aliens, say how many, and draw circles in the 10 frame for every alien we counted. All right, so let's do that. Let's zoom in and count how many aliens we have. I'm going to cross mine out as I count. You could put something over them, or you can cross them out, or just count with your finger, okay? All right, let's count. I'm going to start over here because when we count things, we usually start from the left. So we're going to start all the way over there and try to go in as the best order we can find, all right? So I'm going to cross them out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 aliens, no surprise. So now let's draw 15 circles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What do we notice about the number 15? What do we notice? What about this 10 frame? Just this one. Ooh, that's thick line. What do we notice? I don't need that thick line. What we should notice here, whoops, is every time we did 15, we had a tens frame full. Okay, so we've got at least 10. And then down here, we've got a whole row filled. So if we counted that by 5s, that's counting each row at a time. So let's count that. 5, 10, 15. That's a new way you could count 15. All right, let's look at your homework. On your homework, you've got some foods to count. So here you've got some cherries. And on the back, we have some blueberries and some more fruits. Looks like oranges. All right, so count how many you have. Write the number 3 times. All right, guys, good luck.